In this video, I'll guide you through the simplest ways to use Flux AI, a powerful new image generation platform by Blackforest Labs for free. Right now, I'm on their official website, blackforestlabs.ai, where the platform is introduced as Flux.1, a new era of creation. Scrolling down, you can see some sample images that have been generated using this tool, giving a glimpse of its capabilities. Flux AI operates using 4 distinct models, each catering to different needs. The 4 models are named Flux 1.1 Pro, Flux 0.1 Pro, Dev, and Schnell. Pro is the highest quality version, designed for commercial use with broad application potential. If you're looking for the best output in terms of detail and overall performance, this is the model to choose. Dev serves as a mid-tier option, but in practice, its results are very close to those produced by Pro. Schnell, which translates to fast or quick in German, is optimized for speed and cost efficiency. While it doesn't offer the same high level of detail as the other 3, it still produces decent results and may be suitable for various projects. There are a couple of ways you can access this AI-powered image generation tool for free. The first method is through Hugging Face, where the platform has a dedicated space. Go to Hugging Face's official website at huggingface.co. Once there, click on the Sign Up button and follow the steps to create a new account. After successfully registering, you will be automatically directed to the homepage, and once you visit the page, you'll see that 2 models are available, Flux Schnell and Flux Dev. Both of these models can be tested directly within Hugging Face. Let's select one, Flux Schnell, for example. The interface is straightforward, offering minimal customization options. You'll notice a prompt input field, and if you expand the advanced settings, you'll find options like seed number, aspect ratio, and the number of steps to refine the output. While this version doesn't provide extensive controls, it still offers a solid experience for generating AI images. Now, another way to use this AI tool is through a platform called CArt, which is available at cart.ai. This website serves as a free online AI image generator and provides access to multiple stable diffusion models, including low RA models, custom training options, design templates, and automated workflows. Initially, it was focused on stable diffusion, but recently, Flux One was added to its list of available models. Let's explore how it works. After selecting Flux One, you'll see an intuitive user interface. Here, we can enter a text prompt. Let's try something like a futuristic cityscape at sunset with neon-lit buildings and flying cars. We also have options to adjust the aspect ratio. Let's go with 16:9. Additionally, you can modify the seed number, either choosing a random one or setting a custom value. Once everything is configured, hit Generate and the AI will create an image. The first result looks impressive right away. Compared to stable diffusion, the output is noticeably more refined, with better clarity and detail. However, since this test was done using Flux Schnell, which is the most basic model, there are still some AI-generated artifacts visible. That said, it already outperforms stable diffusion in many aspects. Now, let's test its ability to generate text within images. I'll enter a new prompt. A cat sitting on a bookshelf with a sign that says, "Read more books." The generated result is more illustrative, but the text rendering is remarkably precise. Each letter is well-defined, and the accuracy is impressive, demonstrating that Flux AI handles text better than many other AI generators. Now, let's discuss the third method for accessing this AI tool, which involves using glyph.app. This website is designed for building various AI-powered applications, making it a versatile platform for different creative projects. To get started, you'll first need to sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on the Build button. From there, you'll see a plus icon, which allows you to create a new project. The platform provides multiple model options, including text input models, image input models, and multitask text generation tools. For this demonstration, we'll choose the image generator option. After selecting the image generation tool, you'll be presented with a prompt input field. The platform supports several models, including Flux Pro, Flux Pro V 1.1, Flux Pro V 1.1 Ultra, Flux Dev, and Flux Schnell. A standout feature is that they offer their highest tier model, Flux Pro, for free, which is a great advantage. Now, let's enter a text prompt. For this example, I'll use a breathtaking view of a snowy mountain range under the northern lights. Below the prompt input field, you'll find the aspect ratio settings. Let's go with 16:9 for a cinematic look. If you open the advanced settings, you'll see a few additional customization options. By default, the number of steps is set to 28, but you can adjust it as needed. There's also an option to modify prompt power and set a specific seed number. While the customization options aren't extensive, they provide enough control for generating high-quality images. For this test, I'll stick with the default settings. Once everything is set, simply click Run this glyph on the right side of the screen. The AI will then process the request and generate the image. Now, let's take a look at the output. Just look at the level of detail in the generated image. The realism, clarity, and overall quality are truly impressive. The way the AI captures the interplay of light and shadows in the northern lights over the mountains is stunning. This method provides a powerful way to experiment with Flux AI's image generation capabilities while taking advantage of a top-tier model for free. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced AI artist, Glyph.app offers an easy-to-use platform for creating high-quality AI-generated visuals. Now, let's put Flux AI to the test with a new prompt. A man in a navy blue suit and white sneakers walking down a rainy street in Paris at night. Here's the result generated by Flux AI, and now let's compare it with an image created by Midjourney. Looking at both side by side, this one on the left is from Flux AI. The details are incredibly well rendered. Everything is spot on. The lighting, reflections on the wet pavement, and the natural positioning of the character all contribute to an impressively realistic image. Now, shifting our focus to the Midjourney output, there's a slight issue with the facial features, especially in the eyes, which appear a bit distorted. While the Midjourney image is still visually striking, Flux AI manages to deliver a more natural and refined result. In this particular case, Flux AI outperforms Midjourney in terms of realism and accuracy. Next, I tested another prompt. A futuristic classroom where a robot is teaching a group of students using a holographic display. Here's the image generated by Flux AI. The robot appears to be engaged in a lecture, and while it's not physically interacting with the hologram, the composition clearly conveys the intended scene. The lighting and depth add to the overall quality. Now, let's see how Midjourney handled the same prompt. The images produced by Midjourney do feature a classroom and a robot, but in most cases, the robot is simply standing near the holographic display rather than actively teaching. There are also minor issues with the way text appears in the images, with a few spelling inconsistencies and artifacts. When directly comparing it to the Flux AI version, the Flux image captures a more interactive and realistic classroom setting. Flux AI's version does a better job of suggesting engagement and interaction. So, these are some of the ways you can experiment with Flux AI for free. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.